Okay, father-daughter project. What are we doing? What are we doing? Changing the garbage disposal. Don't be bashful. All of the young ladies out there are looking up to you. Okay, so we have to go down here in a minute. We got it cleaned out, and we will be right back. Mm, 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 mm. She is like a union worker on steroids. I just can't get any motivation out of her.
It's like 10 in the morning.
Let's like pick up the screwdriver and please tighten that little green screw down. Go ahead.
No.
The whole world is watching. We can't imagine what's going to happen here.
No.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I know.
That's all I remember from high school.
I know.
Actually, 6th grade shop class.
It's already a little
Okay, now we're going to take the old one out. Let's see what
Screw all the
operation.
way in.
Yeah. You're going to keep screwing all three of those. Do the next one over here. Not that one, the other one. Yeah. Those things got to keep going till you're even. Keep going. Okay, we're getting there. What's that little hand down there? Push that all the way up against the back, all the way against the cabinet wall, and then just squeeze the trigger. And hopefully you have it going the right direction. It may be,
There.
yeah, I think it's probably spinning the wrong direction, but try it. Should be going, yeah, it's good. Push it hard against the wall so it screws the box to the cabinet. Keep going, push hard.
I don't think it's...
It'll do it. Just hold it there and it'll drill through and it'll right. Push.
No, it's not going.
All right. Okay, she's finishing up the plug. There's a screwdriver right there. All right, that'll take care of that. Next step, we'll be right back. That's all right. Just plug it in. This is actually the first time we're going to try it. Now come up here and hit the button. Hit the switch. And you did it. Father-daughter project. Thank you, Father. Wonderful.